My name is Dilan Jabari. I graduated from the American University in 2023 in the Bachelor of Business Administration. After my graduation, I always wanted to go abroad, and I landed in the University of Victoria in Canada. I studied the Masters of Global Business. AUIS familiarized me with the fundamentals of business, but also the education style of Western countries, so that when I got to the master's degree, I wasn't confused or lost. I knew the steps. They might have been easier in certain cases or harder, but it was along the same system. Some of the things that AUIS really celebrate is creativity, working in groups, and doing it your own way. A lot of the things that we did in this program focused on, we were presented problems, but we weren't presented concrete ways to solve these problems. I finished the academic part of my master's degree. What is left is an 8-month internship that I would like to go back to Canada to pursue. And from there, I would like to start a global career. I think I have the fundamentals down and the experience of traveling in so many countries, and I would like to explore a global career. My message for the new graduates of AUIS is to not let things go and do not wait too much. You never know when opportunities will come, so if you are presented with one, immediately go with it and trust yourself and put yourself in those challenging positions.